Okay, this is the location of one of our new expansion joints. The old 1960s design has two steel plates that overlap. The new updated design eliminates that. We're going to have polyester concrete headers with a silicone seal. Replacing this, which gives it a lot better rideability and less maintenance.
Expansion joints are the points where the bridge expands and contracts when the weather heats up and cools down. These expansion joints that we're replacing were installed in the 1960s. So it's got 1960s design, which we're updating with new concrete polyester headers and a silicone seal, which gives it a better rideability and less maintenance. We're replacing these expansion joints on this contract because we've had issues with these particular sliding plate expansion joints failing and causing us to do emergency repairs.
This weekend we've got major work on northbound I-5 at the Duwamish River, and then we've got a full closure at the West Seattle Bridge. Drivers need to be prepared this weekend for heavy traffic, not only on I-5, but on 405, 99, 509, 599, everywhere traffic is going to be heavy. If people are traveling this weekend, they need to think about if they really need to go. If it's a discretionary trip and you could put it off for a week, that might be a good idea. This weekend on northbound I-5, we're going to replace about 3,000 feet of concrete over 2 lanes. We're also going to replace a number of expansion joints. We need the whole weekend to do this work, and we need to fully close northbound 5 because the area where we're working is simply too narrow to keep 2 lanes of traffic open safely. Safety is always our #1 priority. This section of I-5 is simply too narrow to keep 2 lanes of traffic open and provide a safe work zone for the crews. On southbound I-5, on the Lake Washington Ship Canal Bridge, we're going to have closures Saturday and Sunday pretty much all morning. Drivers need to plan ahead for that. We are going to have the express lanes open southbound starting at 6 a.m. until about 3 p.m. That will help relieve pressure on southbound I-5. We'll have the express lanes open northbound from 4 to 11 p.m. You're only going to be able to get on the express lanes from the downtown on-ramps. You won't actually be able to get from the I-5 main line to the express lanes.